Hello guys, welcome back to Davude's Daily Life Nuggets, and today I'm going to be showing you some clips at Big Creek Park when I was mountain biking. I do apologize in advance because I was using some Chinese camera and it's a really bad camera. However, I am getting a GoPro tomorrow and I should have the GoPro by the time I'm uploading this video.